Today's recipe is a chicken starter. This is something which you could do quite easily and quickly in your home. It's green chili chicken. So as the name says, we are going to be using a lot of green chilies here. So it's going to be a bit spicy, but also delicious. So now let's quickly see how to do this. So first for the masala, grind some green chilies, mint leaves and coriander leaves into a nice coarse paste. Now I'm using about 500 grams of boneless chicken pieces here. I've already washed the chicken pieces well. Now I'm going to marinate it with about a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of yogurt and the green chili masala. I've used about 12 green chilies and 1 handful of mint leaves and few coriander leaves for this masala. I'm also going to add few drops of lemon to this. Now just mix all these masalas and the chicken pieces well and let it sit for at least about 20 minutes before we start cooking this. Now to make the green chili chicken, take about a quarter cup of oil and once it's hot, add 4 to 5 small pieces of cinnamon, some cloves, give it a nice stir and then add about half an onion, just thinly sliced. So just saute it for about 10-15 seconds and then add few green chilies and some curry leaves. Saute it for a few seconds and then add the chicken pieces. So first cook this chicken on high flame for about 4 to 5 minutes and then add about 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. So just mix all these masalas well and let this cook for about 20 minutes on low flame with the lid closed. Just stir it once or twice in between. And now it's been 20 minutes already. So the chicken pieces are cooked well and now it's ready to be served.